Breaking news from Deer Park, Texas Net. There's reports of 2 children had been kidnapped. Those children were last seen in Terrace Park. The suspect is still unknown. The children were over the age of 4 years and 2-year-old. If you see one of those kids, call 911.
The following message is transmitted request from Deer Park Police Department. There's a suspect named Smile Man kidnapping 12 children. Lock all doors and windows.
This is what happens, Tom. This is what happens when you don't listen.
Do not look for someone that has been lost. Don't look at him. Don't open the door for anyone. Wait till in morning. Morning will kill the Smile Man. Do not go outside. If you have pets, leave them outside. If you see him, call 911.
Hey, you okay? Hello? Wait, you look familiar. Hey, stay back. Wait, no.